Kajing Shlur jong ine khynnah skul kalong ka ek ba siu tanat bat ai men simru ye ki wei pat ki para khynnah skul bat kumju uru ye ki bala he la ne ki bala san bakane kajing Shlur ga jong kalang ba ipendap ya ka kamram ban kli jing kli na ucm ya kajing thmu ka ba ma idon na po man sim da jong te tungin ne pit hang ne ek ba ka ne ka khynnah ka ong.
Imagine they're not here.
My name is syndrome. I'm from class 6B. And all I wanted to ask is,
Guys.
when life feels tough and you feel useless, how do you?
So, just relax. I'll do one thing. We'll turn around, okay? Don't look at her. Yeah, you're talking to me now. Tell me. I know, it's okay. It's okay. There's no problem. You're doing fine. You just imagine talking to me now. Just imagine there's nobody else in this room.
Okay.
There you go. You're fine now.
What I wanted to ask is that
Yeah, it's okay. Let us speak. It's okay. Let us speak. You'll be fine. Tell me. It's okay.
when sometimes life feels dull and you feel that everything is hopeless, how do you get yourself up?
How do I get that? Selva, there you go. Let's give her a round of applause. She was excellent. She is asking that when things get tough, and when there is no hope, how do you get yourself up? So this is a very, very important question. Again, there is no right answer that will fit everybody. But I think it goes back to basic principles in life. And that, as I said in the beginning itself, is that when you are doing something that you truly believe in, and when you're doing something that you're truly passionate about, you don't give up, because you know that you want to do it no matter what. For me, every single person that comes to meet me is a new person. And I know that maybe somewhere I can help the person. And therefore, so I may be tired and down, but the desire and the passion to serve makes me energetic and up again. So the answer to your question is, believe in yourself. That is the way to move forward in life. Okay?